ako nag-drive. Nag-move ng truck ulit.
Good morning everyone! Welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday, January 3. Kamusta kayo mga guys? Happy New Year! Hindi ko na kayo na-update after nung New Year's Eve kasi wala naman masyadong ganap ng January 1. And kahapon may pasok si Warren. So, I just stayed here and do the laundry and parang hindi na ako nag-vlog. Ganun. House chores, more on house chores like what I did on my first video here in the US. So currently, I am washing the fruits that I'll be needing for my golden juice. However, as I've checked, wala akong ginger, but it's okay. Ito yung juice na lagi kong iniinom bago ako mag-breakfast. So, dapat empty stomach. This is really nice for cleansing, detoxing, and everything. It's good for the stomach and all. So I got green apple, orange, lemon, carrots, and ginger sana. Kaso wala akong ginger, so it's okay. I'll just make one in another batch. I'm now straining the juice here. Ayan siya. Ito yung ating blended na mix. Fruit mix and the carrots. And then we'll just need to strain and get the juice. Ayan. Pipigain lang natin siya. You can also add honey to make it sweet. This is the finished product. Ayan. I added 2 pears from my fruit bowl last New Year. So, ayan. Hinalo ko na dito. You can add more fruits and vegetables if you want, but those original ingredients don't miss out. Although wala akong luya, pero it's okay. I got it. The kids are here again. Say hi. Lava, Reagan, and Daisy playing with the puppies.
This one's the baby one.
So we just ran some errands earlier, and then we went to their house. And it's really chilly outside. I think 34 Fahrenheit. Oh, I'm just wearing this one. I have another shirt on and my heat tech pants and my rubber shoes. So now I'm just preparing eggs, boiled eggs for the kids because they want some boiled eggs. Si Warren, check pa rin yung truck niya. Kailangan pa rin i-charge and then later they will go to the parts house.
And everything's out here. And we're gonna play. And we're going outside.
Yeah, this is the playground.
Yeah, and nobody's inside.
That Warren's built for the kids.
Yeah, but nobody's inside eating her food.
That's the trampoline over there. And the rest of it is the backyard. Until that fence, the brown fence. Until that small house over there. the backyard. Then that's the house and the front yard. Oh my goodness, Reaper! It's cold. It's getting cold. It's cold. Oh. Where is Reagan? It's getting cold. Let's go inside. It's cold. Punta mo na kami sa loob. It's so chilly. Not chilly. Cold. It's fixed now? Good.
Fixed now.
Run good?
Yep.
We are here at the kids' house. They're preparing for the
Today we're
winter,
outside.
for the fireplace.
Yeah.
Ayan. That's
Yeah.
for the fireplace.
Yeah. This wood is for fireplace.
According to the weather, there will be like a winter storm later. So you really need to be prepared. It will really
I feel like a
cold
freezer.
on the next days. We're going. Come on. Oops. Malapit lang yung bahay nila dito. Probably 1 minute, 2 minutes away.
Okay, I guess it's going with your sticks in there. Well, you're. Give me it! Give me it! Give me it!
Give it, give it, give it.
Ah! You're my stick!
Got mails pero hindi for us. It's for our neighbor living there up the hill. And I'll put it on their mailbox. Sabi ko, Warren, pwede bang buksan yun? Kasi sabi niya dati, hindi daw pwede buksan kapag hindi mo mailbox. Well, he said pwede naman daw. So I'll put it here. Titingnan ako ni Warren. Sa pinto. Because last time you said that it's against the law opening the mailbox of others.
Well, you're not trying to steal from it, so
You just need to put the mails. Okay. Okay. Umuwi na yung mga bata, sayang. Because they like me to cook adobo for them. Because they really liked it. Especially Daisy and Nova. But umuwi sila ng maaga. I'm thinking they will be back tomorrow. So, I'm going to cook extra for them to eat it tomorrow. The garlic. Ayan. I got oil and pepper. Suka at toyo and the pork here. Here. Naka-apron ako today kasi naka-white tayo mga Inday. Ayan. This is ano pa. Pang Christmas. Ayan. Nag-apron ako kasi naka-white ako ngayon. So, ayoko matalsikan. Dapat mag-ano kami. Mag-fire. Pati bonfire sa backyard. Kaso, mahangin daw, sabi ni Warren. So, pinagpaliban muna namin. Kasi may mga, pa doon, may mga putol na puno from Warren's side jobs. Nandun, pile of leaves, branches, ganun. Nandoon. So, gusto namin siyang i-bonfire. Kaso, hindi nakikisama yung hangin. Medyo mahangin. At yun nga, malamig na sa labas. I think 32 degrees Fahrenheit na. So, 0 degrees Celsius na siya. And it will be colder as the night comes. Let's add bay leaf and peppercorn. Again, wag haluin. Good morning, everyone! Today is January 4. Good morning, babe. That's my husband. And we're just playing with the puppies and the dogs. Yep, there. Puppies! Puppies, only one. Puppy. The rest are still sleeping. Oh, you're snub. Probably next week mag-snow. So, ayun, mag-ano tayo. Vlog tayo next week. Nag-first snow na dito last time na post ko yun sa TikTok ko. Pero hindi pa ako nag-vlog that time. So, hindi ko siya na-vlog. Pero nasa TikTok account ko siya. Parang isang malaking freezer ang labas. What time is it? It's 9:30. 9:25. Yeah, we're planning to do cleaning in the house. Kasi may kalat pa dun sa porch, sa side porch. So, probably we'll clean that one. Pinag-move ni Warren ng truck. Oh, ang galing ko, diba? Hindi ko lang nag-video. Sayang. Pero yeah, pinamove lang niya sa akin ng konti lang naman. Konti lang naman. Hindi ko na ano. Kasi i-move yung truck dun sa likod. You know. Eh, dun kami nakapark. So, ako yung nag-move pa forward. Nandito pa kami kila Jeff. Grabe, ang daldal ng asawa niya. Tawa lang ako ng tawa, pero nagdudugo na ilong ko. Pero, she's so nice. Kahit hindi nyo tatanong, hindi ako marunong mag-drive. Dito lang ako natuto. Pero hindi pa ako nag-drive na talagang all the way sa highway or kahit sa mga daan dito. Kasi wala pa akong license. So, I need to get the driver's license and more practice pa in terms of driving. Kasi hindi pa ako ganun kasanay. Pero I know na how to navigate things. Navigate things? Yung mga drive, park, reverse, ganun. Brake. Hey.
I just bought it. It's chapstick. You want one?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jeff's lady gave me a chopstick. She's so sweet. Because kailangan namin to ngayon dahil sobrang dry ng skin, lips. Dami kong moisturizer sa bahay, tsaka mga lotion. Pinaghandaan ko na talaga kasi nagdadry talaga yung, lalo na yung kamay ko, nagdadry siya. Ngayon nga okay pa. Ayan, nagdadry siya. Nangitim yung dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, pero lagi ako nag-lotion. Yun na lang. Nag-okay naman siya, pero Hindi mo may iwasan mag-dry siya tapos naangat eh. Basta. Ayan. Daming dry skin. Yeah, skin problem ngayon na taglamig. It will last until February, I think. And then on the next days, baka mag-snow na. So, pinaghahandaan na nga nila. Lagyan na nila ng salt yung daan kanina for the tires para just in case umulan ng yellow, handa yung yung highway. Burr. It's so cold.
We're gonna run up here and get a tube. You wanna ride with us?
0 degrees Celsius ngayon. Saan? Wait. Where?
TSC.
I just decided not to go with them. Kasi, wala naman akong gagawin dun. So, I'll just stay in the truck. Wait for them. It will be just quick, for sure. Kakaalis lang nila. Let's just wait for them and let's see. Ayun, magkwentuhan na lang tayo mga guys. Ayun, so currently, wala naman kaming mga ganap. Wala kaming ganap for today. Gusto ko pumunta ng store pero let's see kung makakapunta. Kasi wala na kaming bread. Dito lang naman, malapit lang, yung food line. It's a grocery store. Not too big like Walmart, pero it's just like save more sa atin, ganun. Ganda ng view dito. Kumain na rin kami ng lunch kanina. Pinaglutuan ko si Warren ng cheeseburger with my special sauce. Share ko yun sa inyo one day. And then, ako yung leftover na adobo kagabi. Ang sarap, no? Yung adobo, sumasarap kapag, second day, third day, no? Sarap niya. Yun yung kinain ko kaninang lunch. And then, naglinis ang kuko. Yun lang. Tinanggal ko na yung fake nails kasi para mapahinga naman siya. And then, that's it. Si Warren naggawa ng, may ginawa siya sa shower room, sa may bathtub. Nilagyan niya lang ng pandikit yung gilid para hindi tumagas kasi parang may taga siya. And then, yun na, pumunta kami dito kala Jeff. Dapat pupunta siya dun sa kapitbahay namin, mga musta, ganun, makikipag-chat. Pero, tumawag si Jeff. So, dito kami napunta. I'm planning to do videos every day, pero I probably upload videos like four times a week, ganun. Because I wanna regain my views. I wanna regain what I gained before. Sayang, no? Sayang kasi ni-stop ko siya. Pero, ganun talaga. I'm going back to what I started. And please help me to gain all my lost. Thank you sa mga viewers, sa mga subscribers. Sana hindi kayo magsawang manood ng aking mga videos. And I'll try my best talaga na mag-upload every day or every other day. And sharing what our life here with Warren. Now we're married.
Back on up. A bit more. Alright, now cut your wheel and bring it on up here.
Nakita nyo ba yun, guys? Warren asked me to move the truck also out of the way kasi may gagawin sila dito. Ayan. Nakaharang yung truck namin, si Pogi. So, he asked me and I asked him to video me para makita niya. Galing ba?
I'm just getting a steak. I'm going to cook this and my street steak thing for dinner. And baked potato. Bacon. I'll do the baked potato, promise. Hindi namin nagawa yun last New Year's Eve kasi nag-chili si Kayla. So, ngayon lutuin ko yan with the steak. I need a tray. Of course, we need to wash it. Cut-dry lang natin siya. I'm going to get a foil for each potato. Then I need olive oil and salt. Rub it together with olive oil. Preheat natin yung oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Make sure sealed siya para hindi lumabas ang moisture. We will bake it for 2 hours. 2 hours.
Let's eat! Yummers! Is it good, babe?
Be showing people you're a fat old man.
Is it good, my love?
It's wonderful.
Yummy!